This is a relatively new game I just kind of stumbled across. You already know how this shit usually goes, so let's get right into it. Ew. Little fucking weird looking fucker. Oh my goody goodness!
For all who journey to the found paradise, we welcome you. Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to call your own. In this place, echoes of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the exciting potential of tomorrow. Indigo Park pays homage to the values, dreams, and unwavering truths that gave rise to our great nation. Here you embark on the journey of a lifetime.
Like a Twitch streamer or some shit.
Creativity, joy, and menace. Where your
Why am I just watching all my computer screen fucking burnt? Like those records and shows or something. What? It's the shit that you put on the camera and then it fucking projects it on the wall. Those little reels. Ma's favorite. Laura Sparks. The one bitch from Somebody with a Chance of Meatballs, the weather reporter. Now we're... What is going on? You're putting this shit in front of my face way too fast. Sudden closure. Oh my goodness, we're doing the car, we're driving. Fucking mint condition YouTube's checkered out towards a box. Birds of a feather. Gonna be a bird. I've never seen this game before. I've never seen anything like relating to it. I just came across this shit on Steam, so it was free. So that's what we're gonna do. Look at me go push. Fucking blinding texture on that trash can. Well, there's no way in beside the main entrance. Let me in. Ooh. I fucking picked up a toy. I mean, it's probably gonna be gross as shit because it's just sitting outside. Oh, okay. How are these boxes not nasty? Like, these have to be like put here recently because these be like they'd be rained on and stuff. I don't know why that did that. I'd assume that an abandoned place wouldn't have electricity, but who am I to
Hi there, and welcome to Indigo Park, the world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience. Jump into the world of your favorite character. Wait,
Shut
you're
up.
our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23
Shut
minutes,
up.
and 38 seconds. Congratulations! I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure
shit
your
out of a
experience
pipe
here
out of
at
my
Indigo
head?
Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over to
Fuck
the
off.
registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
I don't care. Fuck off. He reminds me of the little fucking shark core from that guy's Portal 2 animated shit. I'll fucking put a clip of that in post.
Gee whiz, do I love testing!
Molly McCaw's rooftop. I don't want to go there. That sounds stupid.
Hi, I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get a good look at you.
Fucking look at me.
I don't seem to have your face in our guest list. Is this your first time here at the park, or did you just get plastic surgery? No worries, it's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Fuck off. Little bastard. Is it wrong that I want to whack him over the head with a chair? Fucking little piece of shit. Ew. But you're the reason why it closed. Little fuckhead. You're being too annoying. Made all the people leave in the middle of the ride. So, oh, fuck this, I'm getting off. I'd rather jump.
What's the holdup? The gate is open.
No, the
Head
fuck
on
it's not.
into the entryway. Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open.
Well, no fucking shit.
No shit.
Error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini-rambling venture. Have fun!
Great. Fucking amazing. I'm the raccoon's errand boy. Hello, I am here to fix your garbage.
Ah, the Indigo Violet Compact Power Generator. It seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's
Fucking
missing a
light
piece.
this on fire.
Can you find it?
Huh? Why would I need to hold sprint? Why would I need to hold sprint? Hello, is somebody out there? I'm the ticket man. I'm here to take your ticket. Oh, how convenient. Is this the gear? I think it is. Let's go see if it fits. You're trying to get me fucking electrocuted. Oh, super fun, spectacular music. Open gates, open session.
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park.
I don't fucking care. Critter corner. You don't eat a big one of him. He's fucking disgusting. Little turd guy here. Bird and fucking furry. There he is. He's over there. Furry part 2. Wranglers only. I don't know why you need Wranglers.
Oh, silly Ramley. Every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff. I think there's
Oh!
something. Head in there and I'll get you set up.
Fucking amazing! Let me steal everything in here.
Here you go, buddy. Your very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park that also
like a-
doubles as a
he's like a
pedometer,
shitty
heart
portal
monitor,
core.
and mood ring. Data disclosure agreement included.
My little shitty fucking portal core. And he's literally got the voice of that one guy from the fucking Portal 2 animated shit. Yee. Don't touch me. Oh, I got a cuff! I got a handcuff! Those little slap bracelets you had in high school. Shit.
Uh-oh, the door mysteriously locked. Why not test out your band and save the day?
Stop fucking with everything I do. Oh my
Hooray!
goodness.
Great work,
I'm
buddy.
fucking blind.
Now try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo adventure.
Adventure! No. I wish to defy everything you tell me. Welcome to Critter Cuff. Give me right here, I put the... Oh my goodness. It's like a blender. It's gonna saw out my organs and shit. They're gonna be like, oh no! You have to get the critter bulletproof vest in order to keep the main gate from chopping your guts out and shit. The raccoon and... Oh. 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 That's bad. Hi. The little raccoon fucker doesn't do see you. Bye. He is still looking. That's the final boss of the game. You have to go kick him in the fucking nuts or some shit. Oh. Obvious loading screen is obvious. How did that happen? I walked through the door like 5 seconds ago. All this fell down. Of course, the way the dust is sitting, there's no like dust in the air. It looks like just everything has been there. I just like, am I dead? Did I walk through the wall? Wet floor slide blocks your movement. So everything is, it was just a static prop. You just gotta kind of grind on everything. Even the walls are pretty tight for how. Ooh. Found a goodie. It is pitch black. I mean, I'd assume that because. Ugh. Ugly. Ugh. Eyeballs.
Pardon our dust, buddy. Looks like the park is going through some renovations. For the
Renovations,
inconvenience,
my ass.
your Rambly Tuesday discount will be 3% off.
Okay, you're
Why
getting my
not celebrate
attention.
this great deal with a ride on my railroad? To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
Oh, is it this way? Dumbass probably can't even read. Oh, where's my railroad? This way? Where was it? Oh. Ugh. I'm watching you. Weirdo.
Your facial data suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience for this ride.
No
but
shit.
It's one of my favorites. Do you know why Rambly the raccoon loves Rambly's Railroad?
You're a narcissist?
Because I like trains.
Oh no, you're just autistic. Okay, that makes me feel a bit bad for wanting to whack him over the head with a chair. Because I like trains. Does he like sharks too? Oh, take a ride in my train. Ride in my choo-choo. Little fucker. What's this banging music? Oh my
Welcome to Rambly's Railroad. I'm Conductor Rambly.
I just what? He's dead. He fucking spazzed out. What?
Oh look, it's Molly McCaw.
It's Molly McCaw, the greatest pilot you ever saw.
And that thing?
Sure are, Molly. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
I'm not crashing, Rambly. I'm barnstorming.
I'm falling with style.
Barnstorming.
It's crashing.
Oh my god.
It barely hurts at all. Say, those young adventurers you've got along with you look like great pilots.
No,
Why not
fuck
try
off.
your
This is my
hand
ride.
It's my ride. Rooftop racing.
Admission included with your critter cop.
Oh. I don't want to ride in your fucking airplane ride. You're gonna crash to a building. Amelia Earhart wasn't a good pilot. She fucking died. Because if she did, then she was a good pilot. She's still gonna die. That is awful. That should feel awful.
Oh, Finley, come on out and greet the people.
Hi, Rambly.
Get back in your
Why
cave.
the long face and body?
You've known me for 100 years, Rambly. I'm always long because I'm always longing for a new seashell for my collection.
Oh, Finley, you should come out of your shell.
How about you come into it instead? My ride, Oceanic Odyssey,
Fuck
will
off.
teach you all about the wonders down under the deep blue sea.
These like creepy bubbles
It's
included.
as blue as me.
You're green.
I hope you'll visit.
I'm not gonna
I'm so lonely.
Stay lonely.
Closed for repairs.
Close for repairs. Nobody's visiting you, you lonely fuck. Oh. It's the atomic bomb exhibit. What the? He's dying. Don't worry, Autistic Raccoon. I'll save you. He's got rabies. I gotta go get the shotgun. Fucking piece of shit. You think it still works? Jesus, it's loud as fuck. Oh, I'm gonna leave your house as soon as I can because I don't like you. You're lonely, and I want you to stay lonely. Gross ass Mickey ears. Okay, he's done with his rabies. It's like a skunk Sonic character. Oh, loading screen. Alright, do a little jig.
Hey there, Lloyd.
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the
Shut
proud,
up.
the prestigious,
I don't care.
the professional Lloydford L. Lion,
glad we
actor
can agree on something for
extraordinaire.
once.
Great act, Lloyd.
Of course it was. I'm the real star.
Thank you. See, that's we finally come to a point we can agree upon. We don't like the furry. Whatever the fuck his name is. I don't remember. Open it.
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right? Now you know all about my friends and Lloyd. So, where do you want to go?
Away. Wait, what? There's a bird on the train tracks. See, usually when that happens, you get a flat bird. But, that one... He's got a fucking Ferris wheel! Jesus Christ! More of a narcissist than I thought. The guy over there is a theater. He's got a Ferris wheel, a fountain. His face is plastered all over the goddamn amusement park. This, my friends, this is not blatant, fucking klutzy side character, Wheatley kind of shit. This is narcissism. It's a free cup. Can't wait to drink my juice from his fucking skull. Go to Disneyland and get the Buzz Lightyear cup that has the fucking straw. Like right between his fucking crotch.
Hey, buddy, come over here.
Oh my goodness!
This here is an information kiosk.
Uh-huh.
If there's anything around the park you want to ask me about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it.
Fuck off. What? Toys. Indigo used a lot more. He's always one of my favorites. He's not my favorite. There's my he's not my friend. He's out an empire. He's literally General fucking Palpatine. Like it fair. First in line. Made me feel uneasy. Souvenir cup. It's like an 8-bit thing here. Asking him about it, but I'm giving descriptions of my own. Little juice thing, the bird on it. I swear, I've heard this like background music somewhere else before. This is like Minecraft kind of spooky music or something. Or Gary's mod. What the fuck happened there? His like Ferris wheel come off the hinges, like roll through the park.
Well, look at that. You're at Jetstream Junction.
Really?
Oops. Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up. Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in.
Oh my goodness. Is he being like actually serious though? Is he a living creature? Or is he just like pre-recorded shit? If he's pre-recorded, that'd make a lot more sense. That's why he's so fucking stupid. Fake performance. Gotta go get him. Pitch black. Let's go. Mary's looking around. Where's the puppets? I want to see the guys you set up there, and they're like, oh.
Bye!
Kitty, 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 kitty. It's not a furry, that's a fucking kitty cat. Kitty cat, come here.
Hey, buddy. I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. If you're going back there, be careful.
Can't see
Your critic life is not yet able to resuscitate you.
Whoa, this is a piano. Shit's a banger. Is there toys? I want a toy. I want a toy. I need toys. Is there any toys? Maybe in the seats. Kitty cat. Are you there? What? Hello. That's like not even a fucking like it's an actual like thing let loose. See it. He's like covered in moss. Fucking moss creature. He's got a big stuffed animal of himself. Little bastard. Gotta be careful, because he's a big cat, so he could jump out at any moment. At any moment he could appear. And give me a big spook. And I'll be like, ah!
Die!
Ah! No, it's a kitty cat! Okay. Well, you're cool, I guess, kitty cat. Are you gonna like peek through the glass at me? Oh my god! Are they trying to start like a fire? Oh, that's just me. Are they trying to start like a fire or something? Look at all those extension cords. Nobody has that many. For 2 monitors? I need a heated chair. Whoa. When you run it, does this. He's a big guy, oh my goodness. Just a key. He's like, he's out there and he's like humping the wall. Is it gonna be like a chase thing or some shit? It's gonna have like a big loud fucking scream or something. I'm not looking around, so I don't know why you're giving me these like fucking creepy noises. Shut your fucking trap. Oh, run, you kitty, run from the kitty. Oh no, he's making big noises. He's so spooky. Oh, press the button. He's totally not gonna fucking jump scare me or some shit. Ah, no, he's... Where did he... What? It's literally a wall. Did he run back out there or something? Oh! Fucking... Crow. Crow boy. He knows who he is. Just gonna jump off your... You can sleep on your little pedestal or something. I don't know how Miss Tweety fucking escaped so fast, but... Goodbye, kitty cat. Another loading screen. This is kind of boring. Yeah, I guess like the way it's presented is pretty charming in terms of like, how it is like a thing. Like, look at that clock tower go. But well, it's really just not that. It's not really keeping my interest. Aside from being like a cool, ooh, look at all these broken things. There wasn't a big padlock here before. Oh, it's a loading screen. Let's play a game. Take a drink every time.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Molly's landing pad.
Taken up. Oh, it's just a birdie. Fucking big birdie. Garage. Burgers and shit. I need to find the toys. I needed more toys. I want more toys. I want more toys. Give me more toys. I'm not here to look around. I'm here to fucking steal shit. You like, airplane? Wish I could just jump over the edge. I don't think there's really any fall damage in the game. Yeah, I just fell down the stairs. Oh, yes. Crash Bandicoot? Oh. Jesus, that's loud. Be quiet. Mario. Like a shadow creature. I don't know how I'm gonna kill it. I just fucking squish it. It's like Sonic. Astro plane again! You close your eyes? Oh, no, it's evil. Evil raccoon. I should have known you're racist. Oh, shit. Oh, she's evil! Evil creature! So I jumped on her 3 times and she, spawned a berry. Huh. But did she get de-fartified though? Is the question. Or does she still smell? Dog. Ugly dog. Put it out of its fucking misery. Got human teeth. Up and up and up.
Oh no! This is horrible! Looks like Molly crashed into the ride again. Don't worry though, your pal Rambley has the repairman on speed dial.
He's zonked out.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service. Please check the number and dial again.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
Exhilarating ride? Is he talking about his fucking train? Your train sucked dick. I'm sorry, but it was not that good. You had a seizure in the middle of it, man. They gotta stop these obvious loading screens right after you press a button. I should walk in the door and then get the loading screen, like when I'm fully submerged in the darkness. Purple star, purple block. I should play with the block until I get I'm sorry. Was I supposed to do that? Or did I do an uh-oh? 'Cause now it's scary. Mr. Raccoon. There's a little viewing thing up there. There's no reason for it to be that screwed up. Into the tube we go! You guys need Jesus. Oh, hello, birdie! I'm playing on a trampoline. Poor strikes again. Hey! You left your little seeds on the ground if you want them back. Or not. Yellow spaghetti-o! That's just there for kids to break their legs? I need to put the yellow spaghetti-o. I wonder if I could brute force this puzzle. Let me try that. Blocks. Well, I guess we can't brute force it. I have to go look around. There's yellow spaghetti-o, purple star. I guess the tubes are a little creepy, but I mean, it's a fucking blue and yellow parrot that I'm running from. They have demonic fucking eyeballs. So spooky. I don't think there's... Oh, never mind, there's a way. Red thing. Ah! Did I die? Red star. Whee! Viewing thing. Okay, red star. Spaghetti-o, green triangle. Green triangle, blue star. Fuck off! I don't like you. I'm starting to miss the fucking annoying guy's voice. What was it? Red star? No, I needed that. This is the bird's fault. I think it was blue triangle. Square, maybe? I actually don't remember. There's red star, green that. Is it a square? Was a triangle. Or is red a triangle? I'm gonna have to fucking run back through it. Your block puzzle sucks. Or shitty fucking dark corrupt music. It's everything creepier. Ooh. It is Red Star. Green triangle. What was the blue one then? Blue star. The blue one was a star? You are fucking with. You are tickling my brain. Jesus fuck. That was more creepy than the bird. Up the stairs. Stairway of Doom. Mario's Tunnel of a Doom. Very scary. Or are you gonna presume I have to fucking bolt? Or some shit. Oh, no, there's a little button. We gotta run for it. Turn around. Here they come! Oh, fuck. I mean, they were at the end of the tunnel. But, fucking, okay. No, really. Repeat words she's heard. She didn't say shit. She spawned in at the end of a tunnel and then fucking killed me before I had a chance to run away. No real marker that she... Oh, fucking hell, all the way back here. There's not really any direct thing that explained, you know...
Dare bring light to my lair? You must die!
Collectible in your chase sequence. Can it be a fucking horror game without the air ducts? No, it's not gonna
Ah, there you are, buddy. Wait, hold on. This one's staff only. Come on in, you staff.
Close the door, 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 you fucking What did you do that for?
Welcome to the Ramblers.
You dove right into that.
Room. Here we have plenty of amenities and... Okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scared, angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so...
Okay, you're actually letting up on the bullshit?
The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up, guests too. The mascots are...
That one's dead.
I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience
Loneliness
possible.
does that to a motherfucker.
But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into. Wasting all of your fun time.
I'm not having a fun time. I'm being fucking pissed. That chase sucked dick.
I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right?
No.
Would you be willing to help me restore the park?
The fucking entrance.
Seeing your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
So, like, what are we gonna do about this? Jesus. My God.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler register security room to set yourself free.
I don't got anybody else to fucking appear on monitors and bug me, so I guess I'm stuck with him. Better than this fucking lion guy or that bird. No, that's a loading screen. Ugh. And I guess, yeah, I can't go back. Is there like little guys on the map? No. Pretty Five Nights at Freddy's. This looked charming when I was looking at it on like the Steam page and shit. But actually playing it, this really isn't living up to my expectations at all. The game's fucking huge. I'll point that out. Halo 3 is smaller than this game. And Halo 3 is not only a beautiful game, but fucking like an absolutely huge story-packed game as well. I'm missing two things. Oh, look at this berry. Yeah, there's no reason for the game to be so as big as it is. This is like an 8-bit gig, almost 9 gigabyte game for how much it is right now. Of course, I don't know much about games.
To Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
I said I'm not opposed to you. I didn't say that I liked you.
You'll find a potpourri of porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. Never really know what lies beneath the surface.
Oh, there's a fucking electric eel. What?
Hey, buddy. You okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself.
What?
But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park? Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambley review.
Shut up.
I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist.
I'm pressing this E key as hard as I can. Go away.
Were you satisfied with your guide? Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us?
No.
Did I earn your trust?
No.
At Indigo Park,
No.
there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark.
Shut up.
And I'll be your spark of sunshine.
Quit. Fuck your song. So that was chapter 1 of this game. I don't think I'm gonna fully cut stuff out. I might cut stuff out in that chase part. If the chase seemed really short, that's probably because I cut most of it out, because that chase was fucking brutal as fuck. Not brutal in the sense of difficulty, but like brutal in the sense that some of the stuff is really broken.